24-hour commission hustler review and free giveaway. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and today I'm giving away free copies of my newest course. It will be going live on Friday 24th of January at 9 a.m. Eastern. It's called 24-hour commission hustler, and you can win a free copy right now. So if you do want to enter the giveaway, please stick with me until the end of this video. But right now, let me show you the sales page, the inside of the members area, and everything else. Now let me share my screen and let's jump into it. Now keep in mind the sales page is still under construction, so I'm just going to show you the skeleton, but this is more or less what you will see. So it says from 0 to big commissions in 24 hours. Copy and paste his secret formula for getting buyer traffic, and this will save $316 in commissions in 24 hours or less. No SEO, no Facebook ads, no email list. Now what it is a case study made by my JV partner Pallab. Now Pallab discovered a brand new free traffic source, and I guarantee you that you've never heard about this because I'm making money online full-time and I've never heard about this traffic source. Okay, so no one uses it, and that's why it is so powerful in any niche. Okay, so he's using it for making money online niche and the health niche, but you can use this for any niche. Okay, it's super powerful, and again, no one else is using this. And I know that sometimes people say no one else is using this, and then it's Facebook ads or Google ads or something. Now this is something that you absolutely never heard about, never used, and never even knew existed. Okay, and I guarantee you that. Now I'm just going to scroll through the sales page super quickly. So obviously we have tons of proof here 30 days money back guarantee as always. That's some proof, more proof. We are still working on the sales page, so this will be organized in a little bit differently. So as you can see, tons of proof. Obviously I'm going to get a case study. I'm going to show you the inside in a second. Some bonuses, 30 days money back guarantee as always, the usual stuff. And big thing, we created a new launching team for launching products. So myself, Pallab, and Ram, we are called Team Black Belt from now on, and we will be releasing super exciting products. And this is the first. Okay, so 24-hour commission hustler will be our first release. And let me show you the inside of the members area, okay, because this is where it gets exciting. So again, the inside of the members area will look a little bit differently, but essentially you are getting video training, you're getting a couple of softwares, and you're getting massive bonuses. Okay, so as you can see, we have the welcome video, introduction, getting started, traffic and targeting, setup part 1, 2, and 3, and then summary. Now only 7 videos because this is a super simple traffic formula, and the idea behind it was we used this traffic source and nothing else. Okay, so we didn't use an existing email list, we didn't use any of our websites, YouTube channels, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, none of it. Okay, so any person that is new to making money online with no online assets, okay, can pick this up, use this, and see results in 24 hours. That's why we call this 24-hour commission hustler. Now as you can see, right here below, we're gonna have a couple of plugins, a couple of softwares. Okay, so the first one is an image creator because this is social media traffic, so we're gonna be using images. And the other one is a watermark software, so we can watermark your images and brand yourself. And even if someone else will start using your images, you're gonna get the branding. Okay, so you're getting 2 pieces of software and also 10 done for you images. Okay, so we're giving you everything you need to start making money with this within 24 hours. Okay, so images are right here, and also bonuses. So you're gonna get a cheat sheet, you're gonna get a WSO of the Day awarded course on Facebook, you're gonna get a YouTube case study, and also a secret software, and that's for 997 people, only the first buyers. Okay, so this is exactly what you're getting. And again, this is super exciting, and I guarantee you that you've never heard about this traffic source. No one is using it. Okay, Pallab was the first one to start using this, and it makes bank. Okay, he made $360 in his first 24 hours. Now this is what you're gonna get inside the members area. Let me show you all of the upsells right now, and as you can see, we actually gonna have a couple of price options on the main product. Okay, so you can get the training alone or the training with the software and with the done for you images. So training alone will be $10.99 with a $9.97 early bird, The training with softwares will be $17.99 with $16.80 early bird. Okay, so again, you can pick up one or the other, totally up to you. If you don't need the softwares, you can just pick up the training. If you want both, it's still an amazing price. $16.80 for 2 pieces of software, training, and all the bonuses. Then we have OTO number 2, which is a case studies pack. So obviously you have a case study included. If you want 8 additional case studies, that's OTO number 1, $27. If you want a massive done for you pack with done for you affiliate campaigns, done for you CPA campaigns, done for you evergreen campaigns, done for you automated campaigns, done for you social media posts, images, music, and a bunch more, that's OTO number 2, and it's $37. OTO number 3 will be $197, and this is a reseller license, but not only to this product, but to a total of 6 products. Okay, so you're getting 100% commissions on 6 funnels, not just one. Okay, so this will be OTO number 3. OTO number 4 will be $147, and this is a collection of 45 plus doubles of the day awarded courses released by us. Okay, so obviously we've released tons of products over the years, and you're getting every single doubles of the day awarded product since we released it in 2015. Okay, so that's $147. OTO number 5, we have advanced training, and here you're gonna get 3 separate modules on how to get more training, and this is something more advanced. Okay, so this will be Instagram traffic, AdWords traffic, and also product creation. Okay, so 3 additional advanced modules for those of you guys that want to make 6 figures per year. And the last audio, we have audio number 6, $27, and this is 3 additional pieces of software for the price of 1. Okay, so what you're gonna get is you're gonna get a software for Twitter that automates your Twitter traffic. You're gonna get a keyword research tool, which is called Keyword Research Ninja, and you're gonna get a lead capture software as well. Okay, so 3 pieces of software for the price of 1, and that's essentially it. Obviously you don't need the OTOs to make this work. You'll be fine with the main product alone, but we wanted to give you the option, so maybe picking up the additional case studies if you want to see how to make money not only with this one system, but with a bunch additional more traffic sources and systems. You know, we get the done for you pack, all the usual stuff. Now let me tell you how to win a free copy. If you want to win a free copy right now, all you have to do, if you're watching on YouTube, just do 4 things. Like this video, subscribe to this channel right now, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. Okay, and this comment can be anything. So I'm going to take the totality of the people that will do these 4 things. So again, like, subscribe, click on the bell, and comment, and 10% will be winners. Okay, so if 100 people will do these 4 things, 10 people will be winners, and I'll be announcing the winners on my blog 5 minutes before 24-hour Commission Hustler goes live. And again, we will be going live on Friday the 24th of January at 9 a.m. Eastern. So if you're watching on YouTube, the second link in the description will take you to my blog, and on my blog at 8:55 a.m. Eastern on Friday the 24th of January, I'll be announcing the winners. Now the good thing is that even if you won't win, you can still pick it up with an early bird discount, and again the early bird will be either $9.97 for just the training, or $16.80 for training plus 2 softwares plus done for you images plus all the bonuses. Okay, so an amazing price, and I'm super excited for it. First of all, because this is the first release of Team Black Belt, this newly created team we just created for you guys. Second of all, I guarantee you, again, I think I'm saying this for the 5th time, but I guarantee you've never seen this traffic source. You know, I'm talking to a bunch of different marketers. Everyone is super excited because no one else is using this traffic source. Okay, and the third thing is that you will be able to see results with this within 24 hours. And again, this is something almost guaranteed. Okay, obviously you have to take action, but if you will do what you see in this case study, you will make sales within 24 hours. Super exciting. And again, do these 4 things if you want to win a free copy. So again, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment, and I will see you on my blog 5 minutes before we are going live. So again, 24-hour Commission Hustler goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern, January 24th. See you there, if not as a winner for the early bird. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment down below as well, and I will see you once we are live. Ciao.